Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I go by the Fashion Doll. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me for girls night out, y'all. So we're gonna do our makeup, you know, grab your makeup. I got mine. We're gonna do our makeup together, you know, take a shot, have fun. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you want to see more makeup tutorials or more get ready with me videos, then just leave it in the comment section. Also y'all, I want to apologize for the quality of this video. The lighting was off for some reason. It was just not giving, but you know, it is what it is. I did take time out to record it, so hey, I'm gonna just put it out. But I promise y'all, the next video the lighting will definitely be better, so enjoy. All right y'all, so I already did my brows off camera. I used the NYX micro brow pencil. This is the same pencil I always use, and then I use Essence lash and brow gel mascara to set them. We're about to get ready for girls night, so I'm about to do my makeup, y'all. So I'm about to use the NYX Bear With Me. It did come off, but this is what I'm using on my face. It's a face primer. We have to prime the skin, honey. But y'all, let's have a little girl chat, you know. Before we get into this little girl chat, I haven't did one of these in a minute. I think the last time I did a get ready with me was in January, because I remember it was my mother's birthday and we were going out to roof Chris, and that's when I did one. So I'm back with one. So if y'all do like these get ready with me videos, then make sure you like and you subscribe, okay? That's how I know to keep pushing out these type of content videos for you. But okay y'all, so this is what I want to talk about. So if y'all not following me on TikTok, what is you doing? Follow me, fashion_doll3. So yeah, I posted this video on TikTok, y'all, and like it has, hold on, let me turn down. So I posted this video on TikTok, y'all. It has caused so much commotion. So it's a POV, the city where most niggas ain't shit. And I put the city I'm from, which is Detroit. I'm from Detroit, but I don't reside in Detroit. But whatever, anyway. You know, that's my city. That's where I'm from. I love my city. I'm gonna rep my city, of course. But y'all, niggas was really in their feelings over this post. Like, they had so much nasty stuff to say. I'm like, damn, y'all proving me right. Like, y'all some bitches. Niggas act like females. I'm like, bitch, you need a tampon or something. But yeah, y'all, a lot of females was on there like, oh my god, yes, I can relate. You forgot to add this city, you know what, that's everywhere, you know, yada yada yada. And these dudes, they were like so much in their feelings, like they were writing books. And it's like, me, I'm the type of person, I'm gonna ignore your ass. I don't be wanna respond back, like, because I don't know you, nigga, you don't know me. You act like I called you out and say, Jay, you ain't shit. I said most, and I just proved my point, okay? Follow me on TikTok, y'all, because my TikTok lit, okay? I do fashion over there. I do mini vlogs, all that fun stuff, y'all. But yeah, the shit was crazy. If y'all want to see that post, go ahead and check it out. It's the one about the city, y'all. So anyway, y'all, what y'all been up to? Me, I've been up to a lot. A lot's been going on in my life. The good, the bad, the ugly. That's part of life. But I'm blessed. Always blessed, highly favored. So that's a good thing. So y'all, I've already put the primer on. I forgot to moisturize, but it's cool. You know, my skin ain't dry, so I'm good. After the primer, I usually do my eyeshadow. Now the thing is, I'm not sure if I want to do eyeshadow or just keep it plain and do like foundation for eyeshadow. So I don't know. Let's see. Let's play around. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the P. Louise base. This is a eyeshadow base, and we're gonna use that on our lid. I wish I kind of got a lighter color in this. I kind of got this close to my skin tone. Somebody helped me pick this out at the Morphe store. I could have got a shade lighter. I should have did a shade lighter, but it's cool. So we're just gonna blend this in. Hopefully the lighting isn't off. I gotta work on some better lighting, because I just feel as if the lighting isn't giving. Like, hopefully y'all can see. Can y'all see? I don't know. So I'm going out tonight. Tonight is going to be a girls' night. Me and my best friend, we're going to go to This place called Pinky's Rooftop. Y'all may have seen me go there before in my vlog. It was an old vlog, maybe last summer, 2 summers ago. I can't remember, but I have been to this place before. So I'm going in my 9T palette. Y'all know this is my favorite neutral palette, and I'm going in this color called Promise.
We gon' always be together, baby. And
best kept secret.
We gon' always be together, baby.
Alright, now we're gonna go in with this shade, which is called Straight Up. What you doing with your bulk ass?
And I believe this. I ain't never had nobody do me
Like you. Now I done been with different kind of girls. Feel like I done seen them all, but ain't none of them at all.
like you.
And I done seen the best of the best. Baby, still I ain't impressed, cause ain't none of them at all.
Like you.
I need a shot, y'all. Do y'all drink before y'all go out? Do y'all pregame? I remember when I was younger, I definitely used to pregame. But now, the older I get, especially knowing you the driver, I try to be careful with that. But tonight we might live. So, well, like, I'm gonna drive to my best friend's house and we gonna live to the place. And then we're gonna live back to her crib, and then I'm gonna drive home. About to put on my eyeliner off camera. I'm gonna put my lashes on off camera. I don't know which lashes I'm going for tonight, but I'm about to check my drawer and I'll show y'all. Hope they're not too long because I gotta wear my glasses while driving. Y'all know I can't see, but how cute are these? These are lashes that I am going to be wearing. So let me put this stuff on off camera and I'll be back so we can finish up. If y'all can see, I got one lash on. Wink, wink. About to put the other lash on. Boop, boop, beep, boop. So the next step is foundation, honey. So I am going in with the NARS Reflecting Glow. Is that the name of it? In the color Tahoe. A light reflecting foundation. But y'all know my favorite drugstore is the Maybelline Fit Me. I really love that foundation and the NARS Sheer Glow.
When I chill, if I'm seen with a girl, then she gotta be just
Like you.
And baby, that's the way I feel. And I got no choice but for me to keep it real. Cause when we
Who's excited about fall and Halloween? I am. And I don't know why I get so excited about Halloween, because I love Halloween season, but I never dress up and I never get to go out. Ain't that crazy? I never have no one to go out with. Even when I was like in a relationship, I used to always try to get him to go out. Like, he was so boring, y'all. He did not want to do nothing. I wanted us to like dress up as a couple and go out. So I don't know, maybe I'll do like a little cute solo Halloween party or something. That might be fun. I want to dress up and go out. Like, I think that would be really, really cool. But I'm excited about the fall decor, fall shopping. What is it called? Vlogtober? Is that what it's called? I'm excited to watch people Vlogtobers. I'm excited about drinking hot chocolate. I'm excited about lighting those fall candles, y'all. Just everything that comes with fall. Eating caramel apples. Going to the apple orchard. Me and my daughter like doing that.
first got together, started hanging out, you was skeptical at first, had to figure out if I was the kind of guy that try to dog you out. But I ain't that kind of guy you try to make me out. Found out when you turned to my baby, I showed them other brothers how to treat a lady.
I'm gonna go in my crayons case palette, the Continuously notebook, and then I think I am going to contour with Bobby.
I let you drive when I ride that Mercedes, and I ain't tripping or acting shady, cause baby, you know
I ain't never had no. Throw me in this. We gon' always be together, baby. And I believe in this. I ain't never had nobody do me like you. And every time I think about you, when you ride, when you call, when you come up, your love is amazing to me. I can't wait till I see you. I wanna be with you again. And every time you're out on the road, I'll make a trip. And whenever I'm doing a show, don't you forget that I'm your main chick who got that.
I'm going in with my Aerospun loose face powder.
One and the same chick, the one you can hang with.
I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me. In a special way I feel when you hold me. We gon' always be together, baby, that's what she told me. And I
Best
I ain't never
kept
had nobody do no like you. Hit the mall, pop tags, spend a few G's in. Hit the runway to a new season. See, it ain't nothing to spoil the one I care for. Feel like I ain't doing enough, that's when I share more. I give you this, give you that, what you need, love. You know I got it, holla at me if you need love and affection, cause I give you protection. Kinda hard job, but I do it to perfection. And you can tell that I ain't tryna let you go. I get with you when I can, so that's how I let you know. And you be tripping, cause sometimes I gotta go. But you the first one I holler to, right after my show. And I was tripping.
Once this dry, we go in with this. This smells so good, smell like peach. All right, y'all, so I'll be back in a minute. All right, y'all, so I'm back. Anyway, I'm about to put this necklace on from Shein. Just a silver necklace. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit in a minute. I just got these little silver hoops on from Shein necklace. I'm gonna wear this little bracelet watch from Shein here. Bam. And then we're just gonna put this on. This is my little like fake Cartier bracelet from Shein. And then this little bracelet right here. All right, y'all, we got the arm candy on. Let me show y'all what I'm gonna wear tonight. Let's see, this sky blue like bodysuit, and I'm gonna wear these leggings from Shein. I'm gonna wear sandals tonight, y'all. Y'all know I'm really not that heel girl anymore unless I'm like really about to go somewhere and step out and just be that bitch. But no, I want to be comfortable tonight, so I'm gonna wear these. So these are from JCPenney. This little bag from Shein that my mom got me to go with these. The look for tonight. I was thinking, y'all, I'm not sure. I'm like, should I do heels in like color block, baby blue, and royal blue, and do this wrapped outside my pants leg? I'm still debating if I want to do these shoes or not. I never wore these shoes, but I haven't decided on that yet. So the scent of the day, we are going to do Chanel Chance. I wore this once. This smells so good. So this is what we gonna put on. Spray the braids, but I'm gonna put some more on once I got my clothes on. Y'all already know the deal. Let's get to these lips and we gonna hit the street for girls night, y'all.
Been in a sense, I was tense, but my body don't surround you, but I'ma do without you. I gotta get it together, say whatever, but since I met you, my life seems so better.
I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me in a special way I feel. When you hold me, we gon' always be together.
Voila, bitches. Voila. I don't want your man, because I got it like that. It ain't even gotta be like that. Y'all, I'm so over these braids. I'm gonna take my braids out soon. I did try to make them look cute as possible for tonight. Y'all, when I say I love it, I love this Fenty Skin Butter Drop, whatever it's called. The Butter Drop. Baby, look at this, look at it, look at this. Look at this. Look at this glow. Look at this. You don't want to be nowhere with no ashy elbows. We're gonna take a shot before we end this video. I ain't show y'all. I got the shades from Shein. Now I know the sun not out, it's nighttime, but baby, it's a vibe. Like, it's a vibe. I don't know. What y'all think? I might wear them like up here, you know, accessory on the head maybe. Yeah, I might wear these up top. Where's my Chanel Chance? Now we can put more on. This smells so good. The lady was right. I should have got a big bottle of this. It smells so freaking good. I'm cute, y'all. All right, so I got my shot of Casamigos, and we are going to cheers to a successful, healthy, peaceful life, y'all. Also, I wanted to say, I told you guys that I was considering quitting YouTube, and to be honest, y'all, it's still up in the air. I don't know, like, I do enjoy it, but I don't know, I'm just ready to move on to something else. You know what I'm saying? It don't stop here. I might post, but it probably not gonna be as much as I used to. But I do love y'all for rocking with me and supporting me, y'all, and for the nice encouraging words you guys do give me. Nothing ever go unnoticed, of course, and I'm just rooting for everybody. Everybody's gonna win in my book, y'all. So cheers to girls night and everything else, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and then I might do a vlog, y'all, so watch the vlog of girls night out.